What's up, y'all? It's your girl K, Kanina, back with another video for today. Um, Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are making your dreams reality, setting goals and meeting them, and not procrastinating. um, excuse me. All right, let me see. Let me do my mic right now. Shout out to all the new subscribers and shout out to all the old ones. Thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for support. Damn. I don't know why my voice is just it's dry. Shit. All right, so y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into the topic of today. And we're going to be talking about the role of manifestation practices in personal growth and development. So we know that manifestation practices have become increasingly popular in the more recent years, as more and more people seek for ways to improve their lives and achieve their goals. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires and goals into reality through the power of intention and belief. By visualizing and affirming what you want, you can create a positive energy that attracts those things to you. Most people, I don't know if you guys if you guys believe in manifestation, or you might call them blessings or whatever. It's the same. If you know, then you know. And the manifestation practices have been found to play a significant role in personal growth and development. So, I'm going to give you a couple of things that, can help you grow. And we're going to explore the manifestation practices. Okay, so number one is increase self-awareness. Manifestation practices require you to focus on what you want and why you want it. This process can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your desires. By becoming more self-aware, you can make better decisions, set more meaningful goals, and live a more authentic life. And the second is improved mindset. Manifestation practices involve positive thinking, gratitude, and affirmation. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and your goals, you can shift your mindset to a more positive state. This can help you overcome limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns, things that may be holding you back from achieving your full potential. The third is clarity of purpose. Manifestation practices require you to be clear on what you want to achieve. This process can help you gain clarity of purpose, which can be a powerful motivator in personal growth and development. When you are clear on your goals, you can make better decisions, prioritize your time and resources, and take action towards achieving your goals. Increased resilience. Manifestation practices require you to have faith in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. This process can help you develop resilience, which is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. When you have a strong sense of self-belief, you are more likely to persevere in the face of obstacles, and overcome challenges that you may have previously been held back from Greater personal empowerment. Manifestations practices can help you feel more about, more empowered and in control of your life. By focusing on your goals and taking actions towards achieving them, you can gain a sense of personal power and agency. This can be a powerful motivator in personal growth and development, as it can help you overcome fear, doubt, and insecurity. Number 6 is increased gratitude. Manifestation practices often involve expressing gratitude for what you already have in your life. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you can develop a positive and appreciative attitude towards life. This can help you cultivate a greater sense of joy and fulfillment, which can be a powerful motivator in personal growth and development. So, these are some of the things that, some of the manifestation practices that can help you grow and develop as a person. So, we'll go over them again. In conclusion, manifestation practices can play a significant role in personal growth and development by increasing self-awareness, improving mindset, gaining clarity of purpose, developing resilience, experiencing personal empowerment, and cultivating gratitude. You can create a positive energy that attracts your desires and goals to you. Whether you are looking to improve your relationships, your career, your health, or any aspect of your life, manifestation practices can help you achieve your full potential and live a more fulfilling life. So, if you are manifesting things right now, may everything you manifest come into fruition. And may you live the life you are meant to live. Let's say it like that. So, if you aren't aware of manifesting, you don't know where to start. I think I have a video on it. I think you can go and check my videos. And if not, I'll do one on that, like how to manifest things. Because, it really does work. It really does work. Manifesting really does work. It really does, it happens. So, I would like to promote that, because I know. But anyway, this has been another friendly reminder with your girl, Kay. Don't forget to follow me on all social medias, or you can go to my blog at yagirlkanina.blogspot.com. It's going to be in the link down below in the description. So, and you can go there and you can follow my blog as well. There you can see behind the scenes footage and everything that we do outside of YouTube. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, put your notifications on so you can get every video that I drop. And I'm going to probably shoot maybe like 2 more, but I'm not sure today. But we'll see. Anyway, happy Monday to y'all. And we're going to start doing the Monday motivation, money motivation calls. So I'm going to keep you guys posted on that. And if you want to join, the link is down below. I think it's on my blog spot. On my blog. So yeah, check that. And then, all right. Thanks for watching. Peace.